In this video, I will show you how to find your trade URL on Steam. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to find your trade URL, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. I'm doing this today on the Steam app, but if you do use the web-based version of Steam, just follow along as the steps are the same. Now, once you're logged in, what you want to do is come up to your name just here at the top, and when you hover over this, what you want to do is come down and click onto profile. What that's going to do is take you across to your profile page. From here, to obtain your trade URL, what you want to do is come over to the right hand side, and you're going to see some options down here. And what you want to do, you're going to see an option for inventory. Go ahead and click onto that. What that's going to do is take you to a screen like this, and from here, if you come up to the top, you're going to see this blue trade offers button. So what you want to do is actually go ahead, give that a click. Then what you want to do is scroll down on this page, and if you come over to the right hand side, you want to click here where it says who can send me trade offers. What you can then do is scroll down, and you're going to see your trade URL down here. So you can go ahead and share this with someone to start receiving trade offers. You can also create a new URL if you want to send this to a different friend, or stop receiving trade offers on that particular URL by clicking the button here to create a new trade URL. On this pop-up window, just go ahead and click the green create new URL button, and that's going to set up a new URL for you, and the old one would be set to inactive. So that is how to find your trade URL on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.